Hi guys, I'm back today with another tutorial, and today is a very exciting day because guess what? Today I'm going to do a dress your face as you know Tamanna Roshan inspired makeup tutorial. I will post the picture somewhere on the screen about which makeup tutorial I'm going to do today. So without any further ado, let's get started. I have already applied my lenses and I am wearing a green color, and those are from Fresh Look, and I will link them in the bottom bar if you want to check out. So the first thing and the most important thing in the winters is to apply a moisturizer. I have an oily skin, but still you have to apply a moisturizer no matter what. So I'm going to use the Embryolisse cream. You guys have to gently rub it in the skin and don't pull your skin because skin is very sensitive. So of course you need to take care of your skin and be very gentle with it. And also this cream is good for all skin types, whether it's dry skin, combination or oily. This works wonders and almost all makeup artists use this cream. My skin is prepped. I'll do a bit extra hydration today, so I'm going to use these products from Makeup Forever. So one is the skin booster and one is the lip booster. You guys should check it out. It's a very nice product. It has a bit tint to it, but I'm fine with it. It doesn't show on the lips once you apply it, and my lips are very moisturized. I love this product. Now going in with the Makeup Forever Skin Booster. I have almost emptied it, so I have to go back and forth to take it out. I really like this, and it makes the skin very plump and gorgeous. And also, if you guys are wondering, I'm just holding a mirror because I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I have to see myself while doing the makeup. So very gently I'm putting the skin booster, and I will rest it for at least 10 to 15 minutes till the time I'll do my brows and eye makeup. I'm using the Loreal Brow Artist Genius Kit and using a eyebrow brush from Makeup by Analia. This is a very nice brush. So I'm taking the powder side first and shaping my brows. So the brows are done. Now let's get to the second step, which is to clean the brows and also priming my lids. I'm going to use the MAC concealer. I'm going to take a flat brush, and this one is from, I don't know, it's a bit old so the name has erased. Very flat brush, and sorry if it's dirty. I'm a bit lazy, but this is my brush set. I only use it on myself and not on my clients, so it doesn't matter. I'll wash it after this video. I'm going to use a beauty blender. This is a new one. I bought it from Primark and it was very cheap. It is a very cute one. Marble effect. So what I'm going to do is I'll do one eye on the camera and I'll do the other eye off the camera so that the video is not so long. I have blended my concealer and I will set it using a loose powder, and I'm going to use the Mercier. This is my all-time favorite and I cannot do without this. I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This is from Morphe and the number is E48. So I'll take a gel liner to make the outer wing of the eye look. I'm taking one from Kiko, and I'll use the same brush which I used for my brows because it is angular, so it will be easy to make the wing. See, I have made a line first and then I will create a wing. So this is exactly what we wanted. We had to make a V on the outer corner of our eyes. And then we are going to fill it. Now we leave it as it is, and we will take a small pencil brush which is used to make the proper liner, and I'm going to use this one. It is a very thin, and I will correct these edges. Now we will add the blue liner. So today I'm going to use the Recode liner, the glitter one. Now I will apply this in the middle of my eyelid. We are just left with the inner corners now. We are going to add a golden color, so it will give a very nice gradient effect. I'm using the Mercury Retrograde palette for this one, for the inner corners, and I'm going to use the shade Gold Glitch. So I'm using it as it is. I'll see the intensity, and if I think it's not enough, then I'll use a setting spray. What I'm going to do is I'll add some glitter to the golden part. So I'm going to use the NYX glitter. So in case you need it, please check out in the bottom bar below. Oh my god, I'm loving this eyeliner. So quickly I'll do the other eye and be back. Just wait for it. So guys, I'm done with both the eyes, and don't you think it's amazing? And it's so party types. So excited, and I want to go to the party right now. Now I'll stop doing my eyes and I'll start with the base, and then afterwards I'll do my lashes and lower lash line. So the first thing I'll do is primer. I will apply it on all the places where I have open pores. And also, if you guys are wondering, yes, this is Mehendi, and I had my sister's wedding last month. It was very fun, and I still cannot forget all the fun. Primer is done. Now we will do the color correcting, and I'll use the orange corrector from Sugar Cosmetics. This is a very nice corrector and I love it. It is so creamy and it is very easy to apply. So I'll not get overboard, I'll just put a bit, and a bit goes a long way. I'll blend it out on the places I have applied. I will not move it a lot. Please ignore my face, but this really helps in cancelling out any pigmentation and darkness. As soon as this is set, I'll just apply a bit loose powder to set it so that it doesn't move. Very less amount. It's the time for the foundation, and I always mix 2 or 3 foundations because that is how I get my perfect shade. Otherwise the shade is too light, too dark, and I'm not happy with the shade. And also the consistency becomes very nice and very blendable if you mix 2 foundations. Today I'm going to use the Nars and Maybelline foundation. So the shades are Nars shade is Punjab, and the Maybelline shade is 128 Warm Nude. Now we are going to do the highlighting and contouring. I'm going to use the Too Faced concealer in the shade Almond for the highlighting. The contouring I'll do with the Sugar Face Forward Sticks. So you just have to apply it on the inner corners and on the outer corners, and that's enough. Trust me, that's enough. A bit on the sides of my nose, on my chin, on my cupid's bow, and on my nose, on my forehead. So yes guys, you can see the areas where I highlight and contour my face. Highlighting and contouring is done. I'm quickly going to blend everything together so that I cannot see any harsh lines on my face. So now once this is done, I'll set my face with powder because now we have applied all the cream products. So what I'm going to do is I will take this brush, Morphe M433, and I'm quickly going to mix the two and put it everywhere I highlighted my face. So I'm gently patting the powder so that it goes well inside my skin and gives a flawless look. So you can see the difference between the two. So this side looks very flawless and very, photoshopped. And you can see this side, and now I'm going to do the other side as well. Also, I'm going to do the forehead. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Island Ting. I'm going to take a very angular fluffy brush for this one. So this brush is a random brush I ordered from Amazon, but it works very nice. For the nose, I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush. Quickly, I'm going to do my favorite part of this video, which is the highlighter, and who doesn't like to glow? So Fenty Beauty, I think I'll skip today because it is a very bronze and golden look. One is a very silvery highlighter. I will swatch it for you guys, but I will not wear it today. Oh my god. So the next one is the Huda highlighter, and I think you guys know I totally love it, and this has my heart. And just look at the packaging. Oh my god. And just see how big it is. Like, I can bathe in this. I can put it all over my body and still I can use it for years, and I don't think I need any more highlighters now, but you know, I'll buy it. So quickly I'm going to apply this one. It's a very fluffy brush and I got it in the Morphe set. So I'm going to use this to apply it on my face. Guys, if you want to invest in a good highlighter, go for this one. Not kidding, you can see. So the highlighter is done. Again, I'm going to take the Mercury Retrograde palette, shade Karma. Now we'll apply the gel liner only on the outer third of my eye. And in the inner corner, we have the golden glitter coming down. So it completes the eye look. For the lashes, quickly I'm going to use the Celio's lashes. And these are in the style Mari. I have done my lashes. Now is the time for the lips, and this is the last part. I wanted to do a nude lip because there's a lot going on the eyes. So I have the small version of the Bombshell liquid lipstick. I will apply that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I loved making this for you. So I'm planning to be regular on YouTube now, so I will love your guys' suggestion in the comments bar below. If you guys recreate this look, please tag me. I will repost, and see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. I love you.